So you're interested in starting your career out in automotive paint. Thank you so much for checking out this video. My name is Garrett, and in today's video we're going to be talking about 5 cons of automotive paint. If you're new around here, make sure you subscribe. I have a 1986 Jeep Grand Wagoneer project that's on the channel that I will be painting, hopefully, within the next year or so. So make sure you subscribe for auto body and paint and to the 1986 Grand Wagoneer project. Without further ado, let's get started. One con of the automotive painting career is you have to buy your own tools. Luckily, there's not too many tools you have to own when it comes to automotive paint versus body work. But when it does come to automotive paint, some tools you'll have to have are mostly spray guns, and they can be expensive. A good place to go and research what kind of spray guns to get. Paint Society on YouTube has a lot of videos talking about spray guns, ranging anywhere from $50 to $1,000. There's lots out there, so make sure you do your due diligence and research. Number 2, you've got to be able to work in the heat. Lots of shops don't have AC, and in the summertime it can get pretty hot, especially when you're spraying in the paint booth dressed up in your paint coat. You will start to sweat bullets. Number 3, painting can be both very fun and rewarding, especially when you have a paint job that turns out really slick and with little dirt. With that being said, sometimes dirty paint jobs will happen, and dealing with dirt can be frustrating. Which leads me to number 4 on my list, rubbing a car. Wet sanding, polishing, buffing, it can be pretty annoying sometimes, and it's not always fun. Customers can be really picky from time to time, and more than likely you aren't getting paid to denib, to take dirt out of a paint job. Just the way it goes. And number 5, sometimes collision techs, they don't always do the best work. Sometimes. With that being said, that can cost you a lot of time and money because you'll have to send back their work to be fixed. With that being said, I really do enjoy my job. I've been painting for almost a year and a half now. I'm still fairly new at it all. So if you're interested in getting started in this field or auto body, check out my day in the life of video right here. Thanks so much for spending some time with me today, and good luck on your auto body or paint career.